the mouse can stay. Go get him, Spike!
Please remain calm. Stay close to the intention. The anomaly is in your area. Please remain hide in your bed or in your cabinet or in your door. If you have one, hide in the cabinet or your bed. If you do not have, hide in the room. Please remain calm and the anomaly appears. Do not let the light, the entity, the dream entity looks natural like that. The natural entity will be coming. Please hide, remain. All surgeons, please remain calm. If you're already in danger, please hide in your covers. If the man entity natural is waiting looking for you, do not exit. If you make a noise while he is looking for you, please hide your beds for it. Thank you for operation secure, contain, protect.